Hello everyone watching TNWS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can enable OTG in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition. So to connect OTGs in Realme GT 5G or Realme GT Master Edition, first of all you just need to enable OTG connection in your device settings. So to enable OTG connection in Realme GT 5G or Master Edition, simply first of all just go to settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.